So this is my second take at this video, guys, because the first time I thought it was too long. So let's see if I can get through a little bit shorter. All right, so hopefully you remember with division, when you have the same base, you don't actually divide the exponents. What's really happening is you're subtracting them. So if you were to subtract 2 minus 4, you would get 3 to the negative 2. Of course, we should know that there are more 3's in the denominator, so they'll stay in the denominator. And there are actually 2 more that are down there. So what I want you to understand is you could do it either way. These two things are equivalent. 3 to the negative second is the same thing as 1 over 3 squared. Similar situation here. If you have the same base, if you subtracted the exponents, 3 minus 7 would be x to the negative 4th. Or the way we always did last week was you have more x's on the bottom, so you leave x on the bottom, and then you see that you have 1 over x to the 4th. It would be equivalent to x to the negative 4th. And we do the same thing here. 2 minus 9 would be negative 7. But what we preferred to do was say there are more y's on the bottom. And then these two things are the same. We don't need to really fill that out. But what I want you, the takeaway to be for you, is that when you have a negative exponent, it's the same as shifting the position of the base and making the exponent positive. So again, here we have a negative exponent. We're going to shift the position of the base. The x is the base, and now the exponent becomes positive. Same thing here. When we have a negative exponent, we're going to shift the position of the base, and now the exponent becomes positive. In algebra, your final answer is you cannot have negative exponents. They're not allowed. So we're going to have to change that, and this is what we're going to do. Negative exponents are not allowed. So if you have a negative exponent, what you should do is move the base to the opposite position and make the exponent positive. Okay, so that's the real deal of how you're going to do these problems. And we're going to do a lot of examples. I put together some examples for you. I want you to try them, write them down, and it will help you understand what's happening. Okay?